4 fruits that can help prevent cancer. 1. Cranberries. Among the best anti-cancer fruits are cranberries, which are rich in antioxidants. The specific antioxidant that we find in cranberries is anthocyanin. The anthocyanin, the ellagic acid, and the uroline that are contained in blueberries minimize the free radicals in DNA that can cause cancer. These also kill off harmful cells and decrease the growth of cancer cells of the mouth, colon, breasts, and prostate. Vitamin C is another vitamin that helps prevent cancer. It is found in abundance in this small and delicious fruit. This captures the free radicals and protects the DNA cells at the same time it inhibits the growth of tumors. Be sure to include cranberries on your shopping list. You can include them in smoothies or eat them alone for a delicious snack. 2. Grapes. Grapes are second in importance on the list of anti-cancer fruit and should be added to your diet whenever possible. There is a natural compound in the grape peels called resveratrol which is found in abundance in dark red and black grapes. It has been proven that the treatment of colon cancer cells with the compound resveratrol significantly reduces the activity of ornithine decarboxylase. This enzyme is the culprit of the growth of cancer cells. The less of this in your body, the better. The effects of grapes are not only positive against the growth of colon cancer, but they also help reduce the risk of developing simple tumors in the breasts and the prostate gland. 3. Avocado. Many people think that avocados are vegetables, but in reality, they are fruit and are the best that you can eat. Anti-cancer fruit is rich in good fats. Avocados are a great source of antioxidant gluten. This helps to destroy and eliminate free radicals that normally mutate our DNA. They also can cause the growth of cancerous cells. Avocados also have a high content of vitamin C. Remember that this captures the free radicals and protects the DNA cells, which inhibits the formation of tumors. The carotenoids found in avocados help prevent cancer of the breast, prostate, and oral cancer. The abundance of vitamin E found in avocados drastically reduces the incidence of breast cancer. Enjoy this fatty fruit in your salads or to give a creamy touch to your smoothies. If you want to give an interesting touch to your dishes, try cooking with a bit of avocado oil. 4. Pineapple. One of the anti-cancer fruits loved by everyone is, without a doubt, pineapple. This exotic fruit contains bromelain, an enzyme that helps to break down protein and has the capacity to capture and kill cancer cells and leave behind the healthy cells. If you think this information is interesting, share it with your Facebook and Twitter friends. I like the video and subscribe to our channel.